Hello there, welcome to this class, Smart Core Academy, giving you online courses under sciences. Our topic for today or in this class is momentum. Momentum simply is the product of mass and its velocity. Let's put it in simple terms. We say that momentum, which is the same mathematical expression, mathematically, first of all, momentum is represented with a small letter P. Let's say momentum, according to the definition, we say it is the product of mass and its velocity, which is equals to mass multiplied by velocity. Momentum, which is represented with small letter p, is equals to m times v, which we are going to get m v later. This is the formula for momentum. SI unit is going to be got from this, that is mass times velocity. The SI unit for mass is kilogram. Is kilogram times the SI unit of velocity is meters per second. Meters per second. If you multiply this kilogram times meters per second, we are going to get kilogram meters per second. And this is the SI unit for momentum. Let's look at examples on how we should deal with problems under momentum. This is our example 1 under momentum. A car of mass 1000 kilogram travels with a velocity of 15 meters per second. What is the momentum of a car? Let's list down the given parameters. Fill solution. Say a car of mass. We are given our mass as 1000 kilogram. Travels with a velocity. We are also given our velocity. Travel with a velocity of 50 meters per second. What is the momentum of a car? Momentum small letter p is equal to question mark. So recall the formula for momentum. As we say that momentum is the product of mass and its velocity. Therefore, momentum, which is small letter p, is equals to mass times velocity. Here we have our mass. We also have our velocity. So let's go. Momentum is equals to mass. Let's substitute the value of mass, which is 1000 times velocity. Our velocity is also what? 50. If you say momentum, this time in this one, you multiply 1000 times 50, you will get 50,000. Say 50,000. And the SI unit of momentum is what? Kilogram meters per second. That is our answer. Simply like that. Multiplying mass times velocity. So let's look at example 2 and we'll see how we deal with problems. This is our example 2. An object has a mass of 200 kilograms and a momentum of 3,800 kilogram meters per second. At what velocity is it moving? Here we are given what? We are given the mass and we are given the momentum. What we are going to look for is the velocity of which this object was moving. Let's list down the given parameters. Solution. Given, we say that an object has a mass. We are given our mass as 200 kilograms and a momentum of, we are given also the momentum as 3,800 kilogram meters per second. Velocity is equals to question mark. Let's recall our formula. We say that momentum is equals to mass times velocity. Now here we have mass, we have a momentum itself, and we also have mass, but we don't have velocity. We need to first make velocity as the subject of the equation. How do we do it? by multiplying both sides of the equation by m. This side by m, this side by m. M and m will cancel, and we are going to remain with v as v equals to p minus p divided by m. So v is equals to, let's substitute the values. P, which is momentum, is 3,800 over m. M is mass, which is 200. We divide through. Cancel 2 0, cancel 2 0. By 2 1, by 2 we get 90. So our velocity is equals to 90. The other unit for velocity is meters per second. That is the final answer, which the object was moving. That is the velocity at which that object was moving. Finally, the last example of this class. This example 3 under momentum. A body has mass of 10 kilogram and a momentum of 200 kilogram meters per second. Calculate the kinetic energy. Here we are going to calculate the kinetic energy, which is the energy possessed by a moving body. So let's say solution, we list down the given parameters. The given mass has been equals to 10 kilogram and a momentum given also the momentum of 200 kilogram meters per second. Calculate the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, which is Ke, is equals to question mark. But from the formula of kinetic energy, Ke is equals to half mv square. Now, if you look at this formula here, we have our mass, but we don't have the velocity. For us to find the velocity, we first go back to the formula of momentum, which says P has been equals to mv. We divide by m, we divide by m and m cancel. We get P has been equals to P all over m. So momentum divided by mass. We put the momentum, V has been equals to momentum, which is 200 all over mass, which is 10. This and this goes. So we are going to find our velocity as 20 meters per second. Now, after getting our velocity, we are going to apply the formula of kinetic energy, which is Ke. Ke has been equal to a half mv square, and our m here, which is a mass, is 10 times v square. Our v square is 20, but it is what? It is squared. So here we go. Let's divide their common factors by this 1 by this. We are going to get 5. 5 times 1 is get what? 5. So here we go 5 into 20. 20 raised to the power of 20 raised to the power of 2 means 20 multiplied by 20. Let's put side work. This is 20, this is 20. Here 0, 0, here 0, and here we get what? 4. So we are going to get 400. That is 20 square. So we get 5 outside, 400. Kinetic energy E is equals to, we are now going to open the bracket. If we open the bracket, we are going to multiply 5 times 400. This by this, we get 0, by this, we get 0, by this, we get 20. So our answer is 2000. And the SI unit for kinetic energy is joules. That is our final answer under momentum. We have come to the end of this class. Please you subscribe to my channel, like, and you also comment in case if you need more clarifications or any other topics under sciences that you may need help with. Thank you. See you in our next class.